If you don't know where your money is going, you're working for free. Let me explain. You wake up Monday morning, you drag yourself out of bed, you commute, you clock in, you put in the hours, you do the work. Friday comes, paycheck hits, you feel good for a moment, then the charges start. Rent, utilities, groceries, the stuff you planned for. But then there's the other stuff, the subscriptions you forgot, the fees you didn't notice, the free trials that became paid trials without telling you. By the time those charges clear, a chunk of your paycheck is gone. Money you didn't consciously spend, money you didn't approve, just gone. Here's the uncomfortable math. The average person loses $40 to $100 a month to hidden fees and forgotten subscriptions. That's $500 to over $1,000 a year. Now think about what that means in hours. If you make $20 an hour, that's 2 to 5 hours of work every single month, just to pay for things you don't use, things you forgot about, things quietly draining your account. That's Monday. Maybe Tuesday. Entire workdays where your labor goes straight to companies that are banking on you not noticing. You're not working for yourself those days, you're working for free. And the worst part, most people have no idea it's happening. They just feel like their paycheck disappears too fast, like they can never get ahead, like no matter how hard they work, the money is never enough. It's not that you're not earning enough, it's that you're leaking what you earn. The Finance Reset Toolkit fixes this with a simple 15-minute Monday audit. Every Monday morning before the week gets away from you, you run a quick check. You see every recurring charge, you spot the ones that shouldn't be there. You cancel what you don't need. 15 minutes. That's it. And suddenly the hours you work actually stay in your pocket. The toolkit shows you exactly what those hidden charges are costing you, not just per month, per year, in real hours worked. When you see that a $12 subscription is costing you almost 8 hours of work annually, canceling it becomes obvious. The Finance Reset Toolkit also includes a complete budget tracker, a debt payoff planner, a savings goal tracker, and a dynamic scenario planner that simulates your financial future. But the Monday audit is where you start, because finding money you didn't know you were losing feels like getting a raise. 15 minutes every Monday, full control of your paycheck, no more working for free. Stop working for free, link in the description. This video is for educational purposes only, individual results may vary.